In this video, I will show you how to download TV Messenger on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have a smart TV and you're connected to the internet and you want to download TV Messenger, here's what you're going to do. Now, in most cases, you're not going to find the application on Google Play Store or App Store. So what do? You come to this application called Downloader. It's an intermediate application that can help you to download any APK from the internet to your smart TV. So without downloading your smart TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to help you to get downloader. After getting downloader, here's what you do. You go over to the search box here and type in the right keyword, which is TV Messenger. Or you can go ahead and type in TV Messenger APK or download TV Messenger. Once you type in the right keyword, just come over here and click on Go. So when you click Go, here's what is going to happen. Download is going to show you a result page or option that you can use to download TV Messenger. Now, here is it. So first of all, here's one option. Here's another option. Here's another option. Now, this is not TV Messenger. This is the normal Facebook Messenger, but that's not what we're searching for. We're searching for TV Messenger. I always go through them. So the best options are the first three, this one, and this one. So we're just going to try out this one because it has the right icon we're looking for. So you can try to direct the cursor there and click on it. Once you come over here, it's going to see you're going to see something like this. So you can come over to this option here and click on the download button and you download the application straight away to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.